In today's video, I'm going to tell you guys how I repaired a chip in my Sabon carbon fiber hood. It was really easy and cheap, and this hood was over $1,000, so I'm really happy that I was able to fix it. And as you guys can see in this picture, the chip is practically gone. What's up guys, and welcome back to another episode of JDM for All, and today's video is about my carbon fiber hood. I just washed my hood and my whole car, and I just wanted to actually make an update about the carbon fiber hood, but also talk about how I actually repaired a little small chip on the hood. So I'm actually going to talk about the small chip that was on my hood. It wasn't super noticeable, but if the light hit the hood the right way, you could definitely see it, and right now you would be able to see it, but it is completely gone now, guys. It was basically a small little chip, but it was a chip in the clear coat on the hood. So you could actually see a small little chip, it kind of looked like a small spider web. And it was actually so small, it was probably as small as these little water drops over here, but not a big deal. It just really annoyed me, so I want to show you guys how I repaired it. As you guys can see, my Lexus is looking amazing. Just washed her. She is looking great, guys. As you can see, I am definitely liking this car. It is one of my dream cars that I was actually able to obtain, and it looks amazing. So I'm going to show you guys what the chip looks like now, and I wish I took a picture of it before. It looked basically the same size, but it was way more pronounced. If you guys look right here, in this area, this is where the chip was. Now, can you guys see anything? Because I can't, not on camera, and in person I can barely tell. But I repaired it, guys. I'm so happy about this. It was just super annoying seeing a clean, nice, shiny hood like this, and then seeing a small little spot that actually stood out somewhat well because the hood looks so clean. It looks great, guys. So my hood has been holding up well, but about a week or two ago, a car was driving, and I think they threw a couple little small rocks at my hood, and basically I believe that they chipped this spot that I actually repaired. So as you guys can see, guys, it looks great, and right here is where I actually repaired it, guys. That is not bad at all. Look at that. Like, you could barely see it. So before I repaired this chip on the hood, it looked like a small chip on a windshield. It actually was white, and it was way more pronounced. Now look at it, guys. You can barely even tell that it's there. You actually have to look for it to find it. Sometimes I can't even find it, but I took it through a car wash with high pressure, with a high pressure sprayer, and it seems to be holding. So basically I wasn't going to make this video unless it actually held up, to let you guys know what I actually did to repair this small chip. But it's not super big, but it was definitely noticeable if you were on the side over here and the light hit it the right way. So you can't really see it now. The hood looks great, and it wasn't that big of a deal, but it did really bother me. See, right there you can barely tell. It looks great, guys. So I would much rather have this than a small little white spider web looking chip like in a windshield. I am definitely happy that it looks a lot better. So to repair this small chip in my carbon fiber hood, I used some resin from a repair kit for windshield chips, and it worked great. Like I said before, this resin windshield crack repair kit was super cheap at only $15 on Amazon. All I did was put a little bit on the chip, it filled it in. You could barely tell, so I am definitely happy, guys. My hood looks much better. Obviously, you can somewhat see it if you really look for it, but it's not a big deal. It almost looks like a water spot. And yeah, I'm pretty happy about this, guys. My hood looks great. My hood is holding up really well, and my car looks awesome, guys. If I didn't point out that small chip to you guys, you probably wouldn't even know that it was there, and I am really happy about this car. So I just wanted to make this video to let you guys know that I actually figured out how to repair a chip in carbon fiber. Now, not even going close up, you wouldn't even notice it was there. And that is definitely a good thing, guys. So yeah, if you guys have any chip problems with your carbon fiber hood or carbon fiber fenders or whatever, if you guys get a small chip or whatever, I think this resin would actually help out because it's meant to fill in cracks and chips on windshields. And that's basically what it did here. It just filled in the small chip and you could barely even tell that it's there. So let me know if you guys have had this problem before on your carbon fiber hood, and let me know how you guys fixed it if you were able to fix it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. It helps me out a lot. And I will see you guys on the next video.